Are you looking for the best train horn kits? In this video, we will break down the top 4 train horn kits on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Outlaw Black Train Horn. This kit consists of 3 trumpets on a single bracket. The horns feature a tough-looking matte black finish and have stainless steel diaphragms. These horns work with as little as 50 psi but create the ideal sound at 150 psi. Hooking them up to a 2-gallon tank will enable you to produce 5 to 7 seconds of honk time. The horns have a distinctly deep tone. This will fool people into thinking they are much larger and more imposing than they really are. They also come with a pre-installed 3/8-inch valve. All you have to do is hook them up to a 1/2-inch airline, and you're good to go. Unfortunately, these horns come on a mounting bracket that has them stacked. So while the horns may be smaller, they still take up quite a bit of space. This can make it difficult to find a place on your vehicle where they will fit. The horns don't come with the rest of the air system, so you need to buy the compressor and air tank separately. At number 2. Vixen Horns Train Horn. These sleek black horns come as a set of 4. They're compatible with a 12V electric air valve, solenoid, compression system. Just hook the included 1/4-inch nylon plastic hose to your air compression system. The mounting hardware for the horns is also included in this kit. You'll love the powerful roar of these horns. They're seriously loud. Each horn is a different size to not only give you a loud sound but also one that is harmonic and rich in tone. The horns are also beautiful in their sleek black styling, so you can install them on the outside of your vehicle. Unfortunately, this isn't a complete system. You need to purchase an onboard air system to complete your train horn kit. You'll also be limited in where you install these horns because they're attached to an inline mounting bracket. At number 3. MPC for Trumpet Train Air Horn Kit. When you purchase this train horn kit from MPC, you get 4 chrome trumpet horns and an all-in-one air system. It has a 110 psi compressor and an air tank that holds 3 liters. The kit also comes with plenty of wire, a 20-amp fuse, and a pressure switch. The horns are loud when engaged and will command attention. What makes this kit stand out is the sound quality of the horns. You'll appreciate the rich and harmonious sound that these horns produce. The instructions are detailed and clear, which makes installation easier than other kits on this list. Unfortunately, you'll need to be careful where you install this kit, as the compressor needs to be in a clean and dry location. The hardware and hoses aren't as durable as the horns or compressor, which can result in them breaking. At number 4. ZoneTech 12V Single Trumpet Air Horn. When you only have room for a small kit, then this one-horn kit will work perfectly. It comes with a single horn and air compressor. The horn is capable of producing a sound that is 150 dB, which is incredibly loud. It uses 12V DC power. The horn is a bright shiny metal, and the compressor is a rich red color. The small size of this kit gives you complete freedom in how and where you install this train horn. It can work on everything from a motorcycle to a boat. The quality materials used in the construction ensure it will be durable enough to last. Unfortunately, while the kit is simple and compact, it doesn't come with what you need to install it. Prepare to purchase additional wiring, tubing, and fuses. You'll need to be careful when installing this horn, as it will blow your 5-amp fuses.